Hey YouTube, Jack's my name and welcome back to Aftermath episode 2. Today's episode is Mario the Music Box sealed ending. I know I already done a Mario the Music Box before, but this time is the sealed ending, not the puppet ending. And like last time, if you want to know the whole story, you should go to the YouTube channel Luigi Kid Gaming's Let's Play of Mario the Music Box. But now to the episode. Princess Peach. Luigi, are you okay? Luigi, I need to do something. Princess Peach, he just went away. I should go talk to him. Toadstool. Princess, I think he needs some time. He just lost his brother. 1 hour later. Luigi, can you do it? Professor E, I think I can do it, but it will take some time. Luigi, how long? Professor E, a couple days, a week maybe. I'll wait. Professor E, are you sure you'll do this? It's one thing capturing ghosts, it's another thing capturing spirits. Luigi, if I am going to free my brother's spirit, I am going to need something to protect me against the spirits. Professor E, fine. 3 days later. Peach, Luigi, are you okay? Toadstool, you just need more time. Peach, we haven't seen him in 3 days. 4 days later. Toadstool, Princess, Professor E wants to talk to you. Peach, okay. Hello? Hello, Professor E, are you there? Professor E, yes. Princess, I want you to talk to Luigi. 1 week ago he came to me and asked me if I could upgrade his Poltergust 3000 to a Poltergust 3500, so it could capturing spirits. He said it would help him saving his brother. He didn't say how. I think he's going to do something stupid, so I think you should know. Goodbye, Princess. Peach, where's Luigi? Toadstool, I think he are home. Why? Peach, where are you going, Luigi? Luigi, if you're here, you probably already know. I'm going to save Mario. Peach, Luigi, I know it must be hard on you, but Mario is dead and he's not coming back. Luigi, you're wrong. When I leave the mansion first time, I saw Mario's spirit. If I go back, I might have a way to find him. I can't leave him there alone, and I won't. Even if I have to release all the spirits in the mansion again. Peach, if you're going back, I'm coming with you. Luigi, no. Mario will kill me if I am taking you with me, so you stay here. Peach, you can't go alone, it's too dangerous. Luigi, I survived a haunted mansion, I'll survive this too. Peach, you got lucky getting out of the mansion first time. If you go back to the mansion, you may not come back alive. Luigi, if I don't get Mario with me, I won't come back at all, and I will survive. I'm taking food, flashlight battery, and a flashlight with me to the mansion. And if I go alone, there's no one that can be possessed. Peach, I trust you're a hero like your brother, but this is something different. This time you're not fighting creatures. You can hit creatures. You can't hit spirits, and I know you can beat ghosts, but there's a difference between ghosts and spirits. Luigi, do you think I care? After that, I left to the mansion. I know you're in there. I walked into the mansion. Mario told me the music box was fast in the surroundings. Yeah, that's the music box. No, I know that's a spirit in the mansion that won't let me open the music box, but I don't care. I want my brother back. I took my music box and started it. Then the light went out. I knew they were loose. I took my Poltergust 3500 found to take out all of them, but it didn't show up. I was scared, but I didn't care. I wouldn't leave without my brother. I went to the exit because if the door was gone, they were loose, and it was gone. I became ready to take out all of them, but they still didn't show up. I know you're here. Here, show up. Alice, Anna, Serena. I felt fear, but I still wouldn't leave. I went to the mine to try to find spirits, but to my surprise, it wasn't locked anymore. I walked to Sarah's grave and tried to talk to Serena, but she didn't show up. I had forgotten her spirit was put to rest, but I remembered Anna's was not. I walked to Anna's grave and she showed up. Luigi, Anna, you. Why did you open the music box? Even on purpose, you willingly released my mother. Are you trying to get killed? Luigi, I'm not trying to get killed. I'm trying to save my brother. Anna, that's not an excuse. You willingly released my mother. She's a cold-hearted killer. Luigi, she can't possess me, and my Poltergust 3500 is built to capturing spirits. She's going to pay. I am going to trap her in a painting and set it on fire. Anna, I like your attitude. Good luck, Luigi. After that she disappeared. I walked to the place where I saw Mario's spirit, but still no sign of him or Alice. Phil do anything about that. I want that's a mansion and see if I could find any spirits. I found a couple, evil and good, but still no sign of Mario or Alice. I looked everywhere, but still nothing. I had capturing the last evil spirits. I tried to talk to the good spirits, but they didn't know where Mario or Alice were. I was beginning to lose hope, but I refused to give up. I knew he was here somewhere. I begged each good spirit I went into to help me, but none of them did. When I searched every room of the mansion, I had no choice. I needed to go to the one place I didn't want to go, to the place where Mario's body was found. Hello? Mario, are you here? Spørgsmålstegn. Only I am here. Luigi. Alice. Are you a smart one? Luigi. I took my Poltergust 3500 from to take her out. This is for Mario. I tried to capture her for an hour, and I did. Finally, now I need to find Mario. 2 hours later. Luigi. I need to find Mario. I don't have much food left. I could well leave and return later with food. No, I won't leave without Mario. Poltergust 3500. Alice. You are not going to find him. Luigi, be quiet. Be quiet. Luigi's Game Boy Horror. Ring ring. Luigi, hello? Professor E. Luigi, are you there? Luigi, yes. By the way, you can turn spirits into panting, right? Professor E. I wouldn't have upgraded your Poltergust if I couldn't use the spirits in there. Luigi, good. I've captured all the spirits now, Professor E. Already. Have dare you do it so fast? How do you do it so fast? Luigi, not important. I'll come with them when I have found Mario. Professor E. You should come with them now. It's not safe have too many ghosts or spirits in the Poltergust at the same time. Luigi. Fine, I'll come with them now. I was near the exit, but then I heard a voice. Mario. Luigi. Mario. I couldn't believe it. He was here the whole time. I asked if he could leave, but he told me I had to leave without him. I wouldn't do it at first, but he explained what I need to do, and I left without him. He told it was the only way he could rest. Sad when I left, but I knew I needed to do it. Goodbye, Mario. That's the aftermath of Mario the Music Box sealed ending. I hope you like it, and I'm sorry if I say or write something wrong, and remember, I can't be sure that's the real thing that happened after the ending, but this is just what I think happened. So goodbye, Jake out. And by the way, sorry if this video is a bit mysterious, I had problems with it. Jake out.